Hello friends, welcome to the channel Dewdear Academy. In this video, I am discussing the topic from education. The topic is specimen. So first is the meaning of specimen. It is a sample of the real object or material. Specimen is a sample of real object or material. That's an important point. It is a sample of real object. Example, section of lung. Section of lung is an example of a specimen. Next is the sources of specimen. First is the local market. We will be obtaining this specimen from local market, or we will obtain it from nature or from the manufacturers. So the sources are local market, nature, and it can be also obtained from manufacturers. Next is mounting and displaying of specimen. How we can display the specimen? There are different ways. First is by pasting with adhesive tapes, nails, etc. on cardboard. So by pasting with adhesive tapes or using nails, and we can keep it on cardboard. Then we can use small sized bottles or small polythene bag. So another way is using the small sized bottles or small polythene bags. Then bottles filled with formalin, which is commonly found in the labs of the nursing institutions and all. There are a lot of specimens which is available in the labs of these nursing institutions. That is the bottles filled with formalin. Okay, in the medical and nursing institutions we can see this in the hospitals. So bottles filled with formalin is another way of mounting and displaying the specimen. Then we can also use boxes lined with cotton and naphthalene balls. Boxes which is lined with cotton and naphthalene balls. This is another method of mounting and displaying of this specimen. Then it can also be used by pressed and dried on pages of drawing books. So we can keep or maintain it on a drawing book by keeping it pressed and dried on the pages of drawing book. So these are the different ways of mounting and displaying of specimen. Pasting it with adhesive tapes, nails on cardboard, or you can use small sized bottles or small polythene bag for displaying it. Then it can be kept in bottles filled with formalin. Also it can be kept in boxes lined with cotton and naphthalene balls, and it can also be kept pressed and dried and kept on pages of drawing book. Next we will see the advantages of specimen. The first advantage is it helps in the development of social skills and values. So specimens help in developing the social skills and values. Then it helps in the satisfaction of contributing to the institution. When we are providing this specimen and we are keeping it or maintaining it in a institution, means that helps in giving a satisfaction of contributing to the institution. Another one is it is giving a first-hand experience. It is just a model of this real object, so it is giving a first-hand experience, and it increases the power of observation. Another advantage is by maintaining or keeping the specimen means it increases the power of observation. Then it helps the ability of personal collection that help in doing investigatory projects. So it helps in improving the ability of personal collection. Collection means that helps in doing these investigatory projects. So these are all the advantages of specimen. It helps in the development of the social skills and values. It gives a satisfaction of contributing to the institution. It gives the first-hand experiences. It increases the power of observation, and it helps in developing the ability of personal collection, and thus it helps in doing the investigatory projects. So these are the advantages of specimen. Next, what are the advantages of specimen to the teachers? It arouses students' interest in learning. The teachers, when they are using the specimen and for teaching, it helps to arouse the interest of the students in learning. It also helps to involve all the 5 senses in the process of learning. It helps to involve all the 5 senses in process of learning. Then it heightens the reality in the classroom. Another advantage is it is giving a real part of the real object is we are giving and presenting in the classroom means it heightens the reality in the classroom. It develops the observational skills of the students. It develops the observational skills of the students. Students will be observing it and learning, so that helps in developing the observational skills of the students. And also it makes the classroom teaching lively. It helps in by providing the specimen and teaching means it helps in making an interaction in the classroom and make an interest, and also it makes the teaching lively. So these are the advantages of specimen to the teachers. It arouses students' interest in learning. It also involves all the 5 senses in the process of learning, and it heightens the reality in the classroom, and it helps in developing the observational skills of the students, and it makes the classroom teaching lively. So these are the advantages of specimen to the teachers. So thank you, and I hope you all liked this content. You can give your comments in the comment box.